Hey guys, this is Maxwell. I work at Tint Pros. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why you should get your car PPF'd as soon as possible. This customer right here, this is a C7 Corvette. This is more of an older kind of car. But if you take a look at all these kind of like rock chips and everything, if you were to get this car to us as soon as possible, like say if you got like a brand new vehicle straight from the dealership, you should always bring it to us right away so that we can get it protected. For example, this car has like a lot of rock chips in the front end right here. If we did some clear bra over your car before, there wouldn't be any rock chips on it, and it will prevent seeing all these little imperfections in the paint over the clear bra. When we lay the clear bra over it, kind of traps all of the rock chips in there, and then you'll be able to see all of these. But if you get it to us right from the dealership, there wouldn't be any rock chips, and it'll look like it's like brand new paint. Even if you have a used car, it's also really good idea just to have PPF over it to prevent even more damage to your front end. I always recommend getting at least a package 3, which involves full fenders, full front bumper, and protection all over your hood, because that's where all of the damage comes from. Road debris, rocks, you know, like if you're driving behind like a semi or something like that, you'll get a lot of rock chips from all that and everything. So yeah, I mean, clear bra is the way to go if you want to protect it all from rock chips and everything. Ceramic coating is also good to prevent it from like water spots and making the car actually really easy to wash. So we'll do a full body clear bra on it. If you look over here, we already got the fenders laid. We got it up onto the lift so that we can get lower onto the side skirts right here. If you look at Justin is using some clay bar just to get some of this debris off. Hopefully we can get most of it off. But these side skirts get beat up a lot, and they have like a lot of little rock chips and stuff here. This right here gets damaged a lot right here too. But we're gonna do our best just to try to clean it up so that we can get some clear bra on it. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, we're ready to install. Are you ready for the show? Onto the table, face down. Bring it over here. So this is kind of one of our like hybrid kits. We kind of extended it and stuff like that because the kits on these tend to kind of be a little short and stuff. So we kind of make our own edits and everything. Although, so we'll have to do some stretching. This kit kind of lines up right with this body line here, so we're going to kind of extend it in, or make sure that this goes into the door jamb a little bit. Line it up here. And then we're going to do some tag points. Make sure some of these tag points are locked down. Tag point, we're going to line up the pattern up to where some of these body lines are. And then this is going to be a tag point right here so that it doesn't move. I sprayed some 30% mixture tag solution onto here. Put it right here. And then now it's not going to move or shift or anything. So that's called a tag point. I usually do it in sections. So like this would be my section here. Then I can work on to this section or else this section here. It's like I'm going to have to kind of adjust it here a little bit so that it'll kind of lay flat into this little valley. Corvettes have all of these like kind of little angles and stuff like that where they kind of cause bubbles and everything. But if you look up close here, this one actually has a lot of damage, so this is why this guy is getting some PPF installed here so that we can prevent more rock chips.